All right.
Oh, man.
What is up, YouTube? This is Zach and Chris with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for tuning in to another episode. We are out here on our series, creating the ultimate shootout for you guys at that home theater dude's house. And we're going to be doing an unboxing video of the Martin Logan XTW5 LCR. This is a mid-level in-wall speaker, and we're going to be comparing this against many other speaker manufacturers and different series. So you got to subscribe to the channel, guys. We got Focal, Episode, Martin Logan, and ELAC over here, and we're going to be cutting them into the walls too and showing you how to install it and then doing blind listening tests. So
France versus Germany versus America, and
America.
There you go.
America.
World War shootout right here we got going on.
Yeah, it's going to be really interesting, guys. So we're excited. Let's get into it after the intro. All right, Chris. Now, on to the unboxing.
Watch your fingies.
So the speaker that we're unboxing right now is an LCR speaker, a three-way speaker. And Martin Logan, as part of the Motion series, does make a two-way. They do make a two-way.
It's beefy.
Yeah, no, it's got some weight.
Yeah, it's got some heft.
It's quality. For you guys that haven't seen our videos with Martin Logan in the past, it's kind of one of our unknown brands. We don't push it super hard. I guess just because it's not one of our most popular options. Like, we've been doing a ton of Focal. It's a really good manufacturer as well. But Martin Logan hasn't gotten enough shine. If you go to our YouTube channel and type in Dreamedia Martin Logan, you can see some of our videos on Martin Logan.
That's the first one that came with a cloth, though. The rest of them are wrapped in plastic. So, I mean, that's class.
Classy. These are nice speakers. I mean, look at this. Very, very well built. So let me give you a quick little rundown of just what I know about this speaker. We got Kevlar woofers, so pretty high quality manufacturing there. And then what really separates this out from the other speakers that we're doing here
is they give you free tools. So, I mean, you get a free Torx 20 in the box. So, I mean, free tools.
Oh, and it comes with the drill bit attachment,
yeah, which
is cool. Oh, that's actually how you do the dog legs here. Mm-hmm. The other manufacturers are all Phillips. But the tweeter design and the woofer design makeup are unique on this model. So the whole Motion series has this folded motion tweeter, which delivers really clean highs. I've been a fan of this manufacturer for a long time. If you look back on our YouTube channel like 3-4 years ago, this is one of the first brands that I was promoting. And it's quality. They make good stuff. You should check out. You should check out their electrostats too, guys. I've done some theaters, and again, type it into the YouTube channel with their electrostatic speakers, and they're unique, to say the least.
This is the first one that we've seen with metallic dog legs, though the rest of them are plastic. So that's something to be said about here. In the back, you have your push terminals. These are a little more robust than the ones that I've seen from before, and you know, it's going to make a nice secured connection. Looks like you're going to have 2 mid-bass drivers, also with your folded motion tweeter, and it will attract fingerprints. We just had Popeyes, so we haven't washed our hands yet. So this video brought to you by Popeyes, not a sponsor yet.
Yet. So this has dual 5 1/4 inch woofers, and again, those are Kevlar woofers. And then it's got that folded motion XT tweeter.
It looks cool.
It's a nice speaker. It has RMS power of 125 watts. Peak power handling is 250. And it's a 4 ohm impedance.
So it's not sealed, you know, like other ones can be, but it does have more bracing than you would typically see on an in-wall speaker. Typically, in-wall speakers, all this stuff's just open to the back, you know, susceptible to your insulation and stuff in the walls. But this one looks like it is a little more sealed up than most. So big ups to them for that.
Yeah, this is a solid speaker and a huge improvement from their installer series, which we are also doing as part of this shootout. I did an unboxing of that. If you want to see the quality difference of like a $229 speaker versus a $1,000 speaker, this is $999
each.
It's night and day. And it should be at that price tag. So we're gonna go through the installation of putting this in the wall, as well as hooking it up and letting you know our thoughts. Again, we're trying to give you guys honest feedback here on really, you know, if it's worth it or not to spend $1,000. So we have speakers that are a lot more expensive than this, as well as significantly less in cost. Like we have the episode ones over here that are $200 each speaker, retail.
And this is just, you know, we're talking about the speakers, getting you guys kind of like an appetizer, getting you guys excited about them. This is just an unboxing video, so the demos are going to be coming very, very shortly. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're going to have a playlist of this entire series. So just make sure to click it right up, boop, right up here, and then we'll get that right out to you. So if this video was helpful or informative to you one way or the other, you guys can check that one out.
Yeah,
make sure
to reach out and give us a shot to earn your business, guys. We ship throughout the entire nation, and if you don't want to DIY it, that's cool. We are building up a preferred installer network and already have it in many cities around the country and are going to continue.
Colorado, California, Florida, New Jersey, New York. We have one in the Midwest.
Virginia, Maryland, DC, Seattle now.
Georgia.
Oklahoma. Yeah, all of Texas.
And if you guys like flash forward back to a couple of months ago, like none of this stuff was a thing. We're really trying to make the best experience that we've done here in Texas. We're trying to recreate that all over the country. So we're really working hard for you guys.
Yeah, we can't stop and we won't stop until you guys are 100% happy and we deliver the ultimate experience. Check out our reviews online. We're 5-star rated everywhere. I pride myself on that. Right, Chris?
I think that's it.
All right, guys. If you liked it, give us a big thumbs up. We'll catch you on the next one.
Oh my gosh, is that the Dreamedia van in my neighborhood? What? Wait!